Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks, and in this little video I'm going to show you some of the accessories that I've been buying recently and new bits and bobs. Like I have this, it's called Valkyrie, and this is a, oh hello, there's my light. This is a jigsaw puzzle, and that's one thing. And this is a cross stitch kit. It comes with all the stuff. So I might get some more of these. It's another dragon. Light's a bit hench, isn't it? So what have I been getting? I got some crochet hook kits. And these ones are quilted bare, and they're steel, stainless steel, and there's 12 in those. Nice bright colours. Some of those. And then I got these. Now these are well cute. I like these. These are key rings, and they've got like a little tape measure on them on your key ring. There's 4 colours. I think these are brilliant. I like these. There's red and black. So that's cool, isn't it? Look at that. They kind of remind me of little fish or something with the eye. Fish eyes. So I've got those, and I've got the usual needles, like darning needles for wool, and then I got some that were plastic, and then I got a pack that had 4 in, so those are on there as well. And oh, these, I love these. As you've seen, I've got some of these, well, similar, those kind of rainbow effect scissors. And that's not all. And these are all in nice little bubble wrap sleeves so they don't get scuffed or damaged in any way. We've got some Clover crochet hook sets. Got that one. And this one's sellotape. Harder to get out. And we've got this one, which is the larger size hooks. So those ones are the smaller hooks. I like these colours. I think they're lovely in the pastel shades. But that's the smaller hooks, and that's the larger ones. So we've got those. And I'm going to put them in the wrong ones now. Oh well. But this, I love these. And you know, you've probably seen that I have a few of these. But these are measuring tapes, and they're shaped like a little yarn ball. I absolutely love these. You pull them out, and then there's a little button, and you push it in, and they all disappear back in. Isn't that cool? I love these. I love them. Fabulous. Yeah, so I got some of those. So that really and truthfully, it doesn't look like I've got much, but it is quite a lot. Now I'm going to put this in the wrong steel. That's the steel ones. I love them. Aren't they lovely colours? If only I was into crocheting things that were really fine, I could use them. I don't really do that. I used to when I was younger. I used to do really fine stuff. So I have got quite a lot of other bits and pieces, which are not handy at the moment to show you, but I will put them up and remedy that. But aren't they cute? I absolutely adore these. I can't get enough of them. They're just so cute. Really lovely little yarn ball. But I thought these were really, really good because you could put them on a key ring. See, there's the key ring there. Isn't that amazing? Such cool little accessories that I've got around now. But there will be a lot more once I decide on the things that I'm going to take off. That order that was much too big. Now I don't know why, but this one reminds me of a duck, probably because it's yellow. A black duck. So it's not a very long video this, but that's my accessories. But my favourite things are these. I absolutely love my scissors that are shaped like a stalk with that kind of coloured rainbow effect. I love them. And there are lots of others to choose from, so I might get a little selection as time goes by. My next order, apart from all those accessories, might be to get some more of those cross stitches and things like that. So what might be really helpful is if I could enlist the opinions of you guys. What other hobbies do you have that you'd like to see? I mean, some people do embroidery, some people do latch hook, some people do tapestry. There's so many things, so obviously I can't cater for them all straight off, but it might help me to know which things are the most popular, so I know what to actually go for, just you know, straight off the bat. So I've got puzzles so far, and I've got some cross stitch for kids, and I've got lots of crochet kits. I've got some that are Toy Story, some that are Lion King, and some that are just Hooked, that company Hooked with 3 O's. There's lots of others, and they've got some at the site where I buy the Karen Simply Soft and cakes. They've got Banat, they've got Lily Sugar and Cream, they've got lots more Karen, and hopefully very soon they'll get some Red Heart, and that's what I want to get, the Red Heart Unforgettable, so they might get that, but that won't be for a little while yet. As far as the site goes, we're getting there. Chris at the moment is being really busy on the styling, because while I upload, you've got, it's silly little things like you take for granted when you look at a site where you've got a picture and the info underneath it, and then the next one and the next one, and then one's underneath, and they're all in this nice grid. But when you first upload, because the description of one might be slightly larger than the other one, when you look at them on the page, they're like this and not in a row, which is a bit odd on the eye. So he's going through that to style it all so that they're all nice and symmetrical. And we have a carousel. He's going to do that for me, and get the premium version so that I can add stuff to that carousel. So I could have a range. So this is a Christmas carousel, and all the Christmas stuff will go around. I might have a sale carousel, so all the sale stuff will go around, and you'll see it as you're sitting there, it'll be going by. All exciting stuff. So we're doing that. I've also got to get more products and upload, plus sort out this shipping. So that's my job, which is going to be easier now that Harley has gone home, because I couldn't really sit for hours on the phone, because unfortunately, you know, with these horrible, really, really horrible ways that you ring people these days, you know, press 1 for this, listen to that piece of inane music for 20 minutes. In the old days, it would just get busy, signal, and you would ring back, which was so much more simple, because you could go and get on with stuff and you could ring back. But not now. Not now. They've got this captive audience that listens to their dingy ding music, or really horrible raucous music on there, really annoying bits of information. If, like, you know, the worst one of all is when you're ringing up to complain about your broadband because you can't get online, and they say, why not visit our website and do this, and you think, I would if I could, and it makes you really cross. But yeah, so it takes forever to ring now, and that's unfortunate, but I'm going to have to do it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know what ones you like and what you'd like to see, what other crafts I could, I mean, as it is, I have a few on there already. I've probably got more than I've mentioned, but there are lots that I know are really popular, and just because I don't tend to do them all the time, I'm hoping that you can give me some ideas. So thank you very much. Stay safe, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.